Since the last video, I did update lines 107, which would have been link 3, line 108, link 4, and then line 109, which was the contact. So I have exercises, and then I have an exercises page entitled exercises.html. Exams is on line 108, exams.html. And then lastly of my list, I have my instructor contact. Again, my pages it's based on my topic of the course. So about the course, assignments, exercises, exams, instructor contact is all centered around the course for the website and contacts.html. Now I have saved, if you haven't already, I encourage you to save your work. I'm going to split the mode since I'm not putting yet, which you probably have. If you haven't, you should do so just so you can make sure that your changes are being reflected on your web page. But as I split the mode, I can see the changes are here about the course, assignments, exercises, exams, and instructor contact. If you have it here, we're ready to continue. Right now, go ahead and click on the code mode to go back, and we're looking for line 121. The text says required pages. We do want to keep the required pages text, but we're going to now indicate a required.html. So we should type here required. All persons will have this page. Required pages .html. Required, that's with a D on the end, pages.html. I'm going to Command S to save it. Now if I split it here, it goes to the required pages on line 121, but we're keeping in mind that this here serves as a link, so persons will be able to click on it and it will open a new page. All right, let's go back to the code mode. All right, we're at a good point now. As I've said before, I'm not putting, but you should put now, and we can do so by clicking on the up arrow where it says remote server would be Prism. Once you give that a couple of moments to work, simply click on the internet browser and then type in your URL address, and then you should see those changes indicated. Since I'm not putting, I'm going to click on live, which gets me pretty close to how things will look on the internet. That's the design mode. Go back to the live and everything will work. All of my changes are updated. I see the links updated. My required pages indicates that there's an item here. So I'm ready to keep going.